Hey guys, I'm coming back to you. I know it's been a while. I'm going to do an unwrapping of the new Ipsy bag for the month of July. See you soon. I'm actually wearing some of the products, so I will definitely go over all the products once I go through the bag. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today to show you the unwrapping of my new Ipsy bag. This is for the month of July. Dive in. So it's full of summer items. Great things to have for lips, skin, and eyes and cheeks. So first, isn't this bag really cute? I love it. So we have an amazing cleanser I tried out last night and this morning. It's filled with vitamin C and it's great to shield the environment. So let me tell you a little bit about the vitamin C. It's created by dermatologists. It has high performance product, is known for being super effective. Rich in vitamin A, C, and E, this nourishing formula deep cleans and rehydrates the skin while protecting from free radical damage. So it's great for all skin types as well. So the next thing in my bag, after you clean your skin, you want to brighten the skin. So I also used this morning while doing my makeup for church. So it's really cool. Just to go back, these two are pretty much full size. This is a great subscription, $10 a month. So a little bit of oil will go a long way. So let me tell you a little bit about, it's called Red Earth Brightening Concentrated Oil. So it's infused with the blend of powerful native ingredients with proprietary skin brightening and soothing elixirs. This highly concentrated oil is packed with vitamin C. Again, vitamin C is really good. Macadamia oil, coconut oil to leave your skin refreshed and rejuvenated. So you just need a few drops on the skin, freshly washed skin, and on your neck, your face, and you want to go in the upward circular motion. All right, another product I used today, Phase Zero Makeup. So it's a really pretty blush. It comes with the mirror and a compact. So it's kind of peachy with gold tones. And let's see, it's a blusher. Want no fuss makeup to use every day. This brand has you covered with versatile on-trend products. Like this smooth, buildable blush. Making Moves is a coral color with a golden sheen for a subtle sheer to dramatic look that you can create by adding layers and layers like I did right here. Have a little highlight. So you can definitely layer it on for a bold look. And that is Making Moves is the name of that one. Making Moves. So, and that's pretty much a full size too. You really can't beat this for $10. So here we go with the lip product from Smashbox. I'm actually wearing this lip color now. This is Always On liquid lipstick. So it's a matte and it's a nude pink, good for any skin tone. You can wear it with or without a liner. So each Smashbox cosmetic product is created, tested, and photographed in their LA studio. Like this long-wearing matte liquid lip color. It has a built-in primer oil to keep your lips hydrated, conditioned, and soft. And the nude rose shade looks awesome on all skin tones. So with the tip, let me just show you guys the tip. It says use the tip to line the lips and then fill in with the color using the flat side of the wand. So this is really cool. It's kind of a flat, but it actually has like a tip on it. You can see that. So it goes on really smooth. My lips don't feel dry. And it just came off a little bit when I ate. Last but not least is an eyeshadow. It's called the Balm Cosmetic. And on the cover, it's really cute. It says, "What's the tea?" What's the tea? So this says, "What's the tea?" Really cute packaging. It's infused with hibiscus and let's see, iced tea eyeshadow, mini cool shade. So from here it looks like a dark brown, but it actually is like a deep plum. It's called the Rundown. So let me read a little bit about the shadow. And I'm wearing this as well. I have it as my eyeliner. And let's see, the balm is known for cool packaging and quick fix products that are easy on your wallet. A shimmery plum gray product, a shimmery plum gray perfect for smoky eye looks. This versatile shade lasts for hours and can be worn wet or dry. So I did damp my brush. I sprayed it with a little bit of spray, or Fix Plus, and I used it as my eyeliner, and it went on really smooth. So you can use it as an eyeliner wet, or it can be worn with a fluffy brush as an eyeshadow, blended all over your lid until your crease. So take a damp angle eyeliner brush and smudge it along your upper and lower lash line, and that's what I did today. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you like the new July bag. I will see you next time in my next video. And I do want to give a shout out to my camera boy, my son. If it was a little shaky, that's why. All right.
And make sure to comment down below on how good she did. It's like her first video in a long time. So comment down below if you really like the products. And this is my amazing sister, Keaira. Hi. And we're the Brights.
And they want to do a YouTube channel soon, so coming very soon. We'll drop all links below. Bye guys. Good vibes, fear not. Follow your dreams always.
Bye.